Loose as shit. Actually, this thing is tied. Take a look in here. It's not on. And then you can see here, this whole damn thing has not even all the holes in here. And they thought I was stupid and put the tape up on top, or they thought I was going to see. But as you can see from the steps, and this is where I saw it the first time, and I even pointed it out to the owner of the company what I wanted done, and he's obviously not too smart. The collar he put on here, you can see, does not do a friggin' thing on here. So we'll just see if he can figure it out here in a second.